Today we will talk about how to create a relationship or link between two tables in Power BI. So we have opened up a Power BI report over here. On the left side, we have the information from the financial statement. And on the right side, we have the information table from the financial details. So whenever we click the rows item on the main table, we are able to filter through the financial details table. So how do we do that in Power BI? So let's just look at a new page where we use two new tables as our example. We have the financial information over here, main category, and amount. And then we have our details over here. We just use our subcategory and subcategory 1 and our values. Say so without create any relationship, whenever we click any item over here, it doesn't filter through to the other table. So what relationship or what connection do we need to do? So let's look at our data source. So in this example, we have two tables over here, and then the two table we have three common column, which is the financial, main category, and category. So from here, we want to point the information. These three columns will point to which row of information in this table. So we will create a unique ID for it to create a relationship in the model view later. So how do we do it? Since the main table will filter the details table, we will create a unique key from the main table. So to do that, we will duplicate the main table. We will name it dimension, maybe category, and then we will use the first three column as to create our unique key. We'll remove any duplicates. We'll create a key called, for example, category ID. So this is our unique key for this three column, which is common among these two tables. So we will merge it back to our fact table or main table. Home, merge. So we will go for our first three column, and then get our unique ID over here. Similarly, we will do it for the detail table. We will merge the key, selecting dimension, category, and then the first three column. Okay, and then we will pull up the category ID over here. So we will close and apply. So just now when we pull out the information, it doesn't have any relationship between these two tables. So now we will try to connect the two tables. Since we have already created a unique key, the main table will filter to the details table, so we will connect the unique ID over here to the category ID that we already created. So now over here, whenever we click the information over here, it will filter through to the subcategory. So what we have basically done is we find a common column that these two tables has, which is the first three column, and then we create a unique key, and then use the unique key to create a relationship. Because Power BI will take only one active relationship for a single column. The remaining will be inactive relationship. So this is how we create a relationship, active relationship between two separate tables.